When I healed my trigger finger naturally, one of the best things that I did was I created a brace that I wore on my finger that allowed my finger to rest. And today I'm going to show you how I created that brace. And it's really simple to do. All you're going to need is some Band-Aids. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to take the first Band-Aid and you're going to go ahead and place it over the knuckle of the finger that's giving you trouble. So like that. So I got the padded part right on the top of the knuckle. So for the next Band-Aid, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and kind of put it, I guess, down around the belly of your finger here. And you're going to tape it up. So it's wrapped around the finger like so. Now with the final Band-Aid, you're going to go ahead and put it around the next section of your finger, just like you did the last time. And then that's going to leave your little knuckle right here exposed. So the purpose of this brace is it allows you to use your finger somewhat, but it doesn't allow you to fully close your finger. Now my problem was my finger would get stuck like this, and then it wouldn't want to open. But when I have this brace on here, it doesn't allow my finger to close so much that the nodule goes through the sheath and gets stuck. This way I can still type and do everything with it, but it allows my finger to get some rest. Now people have also asked me how to do this for their thumb. Granted, I've never done this for my thumb because I've never had trigger finger in my thumb, but it should go something like this. Again, take the first Band-Aid and place it over the knuckle of your thumb. The next Band-Aid will then go around the belly of your thumb. Like so. And then the final Band-Aid is going to go around the tip of your thumb. Like so. Now you're going to want to make sure you get this tight enough that it doesn't allow your finger to close that much, because once it closes so much, that's when you're going to have the problem. This will still allow you to kind of use your thumb a little bit, but it won't allow you to use it so much that that nodule gets stuck through that tendon. So those are how you create do-it-yourself trigger finger braces. I've received so many comments from people that said that these things were lifesavers for them. It prevented their fingers from getting stuck, which is really painful when you have to undo it. So a lot of people really love this. Additionally, if you don't want to go through all of this hassle, there's a similar product that you can buy on Amazon that another viewer told me about. They said that they started using them and they were very similar and they had a lot of success with those. I'll go ahead and put the link below in the description if you're interested in those. So these braces were just a part of the method I used to heal my trigger finger naturally. If you've not seen that video, I'll go ahead and also include the link below to that. I had trigger finger 2 times on 2 different fingers, and I was successfully able to heal both of them naturally following a few steps. So if you're looking to heal your trigger finger, you may want to check that out.